Welcome SATs Geniuses to question number 14. And this one's testing your rounding skills and can you round 39,476 to various degrees of accuracy. Nearest 10,000, nearest 1,000, nearest 100. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number over the top of each of our units of accuracy. But I'm going to do it from the units column outwards to make sure my columns are actually lined up. So I'm going to put 6, 7, 4, 9, 3. Now by doing it outwards like that, I'm ensuring that I'm lining it up correctly. 6, 7, 4, 9, 3. And then same again on the bottom one. 6, 7, 4, 9, 3. Now the reason for doing this will become clear in a second. So the first one, I'm rounding to the nearest 10,000. Now the 10,000s digit is, if we look at our column headings, the fifth one in, because it goes units, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands. So because I'm going to the nearest 10,000, it is this fifth digit that I need to focus on. So what does the 3 do? Does it stay as a 3 or round up to a 4? Well, you look at the digit next door. The next door is a 9. Because that 9 is above 5 or higher, makes the digit in front of it round up. So that 9 makes the 3 round up to a 4. And then all you do then is you replace all the other digits, 9, 4, 7, 6, with zeros. The 9 becomes a 0, the 4 becomes a 0, the 7 becomes a 0, the 6 becomes a 0. Put a little comma in, 3 digits in from the end, 1, 2, 3, comma, and your answer is going to be 40,000. So that's what you just need to put in your answer box, 40,000. We're going to try a similar thing on the second one. So the thousands digit is the fourth digit in, because we've got units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it's this 9 here that we need to focus on. So we look at the digit next door. The 4 affects what happens to the 9. So because the 4 is less than 5, the 9 is going to stay as it is. So the 9 is going to stay as a 9. All the digits after it become 0, so the 4 becomes a 0, the 7 becomes a 0, and the 6 becomes a 0. But any digits in front stay the same. So in front of the 9 we've got this 3 here, and that 3 stays as a 3. So your answer is going to be 39,000, which you just need to put into this answer box. 39,000. The last one, nearest 100. Well, the 100 digit is this 4 here, and it's the 7 that affects what happens to the 4. So because the 7 is above 5, the 4 rounds up, and when you round a 4 up, it rounds up to a 5. Any digits after that 4 become 0, so the 7 becomes a 0, the 6 becomes a 0, and any digits in front of it stay the same. So the 9 stays the same, and the 3 stays the same. Put your comma in, you're going to have 39,500. 39,500. And there you go.